GZ here. We are cooking with kids, and what's better for kids than a cast iron grilled cheese with a roasted tomato soup? I think so, yes. We have the Wolferman's Bakery grilled cheese box. This comes all in a box just for you. You have the recipe of English muffins, you have the sourdough English style white bread, you have pepper jack cheese and sharp white cheddar cheese. We are going to grate our cheese. That's the secret for grilled cheese, and it melts really fantastic. We have one and only, look at that, Wolferman's San Francisco style sourdough English muffin bread. It's actually English muffin made into the bread. It's just dense enough to hold the cheese. What we're gonna do is we're gonna butter this one side. We're gonna give it very generous butter, crust to crust. Then a nice pile of cheese. Try to put it right in the middle. So we have our pan here. It's on medium heat. We're gonna flip it butter side down. A little cheese comes out, don't sweat it. We're gonna get some more butter, put it on the outside. Now we have dual crust to crust butter. You're just gonna let it hang out and cook. It's gonna take about 5 minutes aside, but you'll know when it's just about ready to flip over. You want a really good golden crust on each side.
Okay, obviously you can't have grilled cheese without
roasted tomato soup. Nice and thick and delicious. I'm gonna add a little bit of basil leaf. Now I like to top my soup, of course, a little extra virgin olive oil. The moment has arrived. It's grilled cheese time. It's crusty all over, it's sealed. It's like a tomb, a cheese tomb. Let's see what's inside. Always cut a grilled cheese with a serrated knife, because if you don't, the cheese will come out the side. That's a grilled cheese. There you have it. A fantastic grilled cheese sandwich for the kids or for the adults.